We are in Sedona, Arizona, and we are going to show you all of the best food and drinks that we have gotten a chance to explore.
Our first Sedona food excursion was at the Hideaway House. This relaxed, family-owned and operated eatery features 3 open-air patios, breathtaking canyon views, and an incredible menu of sandwiches, pizzas, and pastas. We sat on the top patio, and it felt like dining in a treehouse, which made us just as excited as our little girl. We were very impressed with the cocktail menu. Each bartender creates a drink for every season, and the drinks are even named after them. This was our first time trying a prickly pear margarita, and as newbies to the Arizona food scene, we were quite impressed. Hideaway House describes their food as curious country Italian, but we will just call it delicious. From the creative roasted peach and caramelized pancetta pizza to my kickin' chicken sandwich, every bite was excellent. We have been to hundreds of breweries, but without a doubt, one of our favorites is Sedona Beer Company. They take their beer seriously and aim to forge a connection between the beverage and its birthplace. They have an impressive list of beers on tap, each one proudly sourced with local ingredients, including malt from the Verde Valley. Plumalicious Saison. Nobody ever has a Saison, so I have to get one if they have it. And this is hints of plum with that wonderful Belgian Saison taste. Wait a minute. Something's not right. Hold on. That's better. I look like I work here. Do I look like a brewer? I feel good.
What's it doing outside right now? It's snowing!
Well, it's snowing in my beer right now, and that's one hell of a good way to keep your beer cold.
Well, this is pretty cool. I think it's great. I also severely underestimated the amount of clothing that I needed to wear today because it was sunshining and hot earlier. So if you don't like the weather in Sedona, wait 5 minutes because it'll just be sunny and hot and then snowing and freezing.
Sipping beer while it snowed was a magical moment for us. But then it got even better because their food was just as delicious as the beer. They serve elevated pub food, like a steakhouse burger with truffle fries, that pairs perfectly with a good beer. And we got some epic cheese pulls from the K-pop fries. Smokehouse grilled cheese. That looks delicious. I wish you could smell this. Crispy bacon and fresh jalapenos in the cheese. Goodness gracious. Sedona Beer Company is an absolute must. Fantastic craft beer with excellent service. With a view that looks like it was just painted by God right in front of you. It is
And I got my toddler to sleep.
Absolutely incredible. And we got our toddler to sleep. She's a good brewery, baby. Add this to your list. Thanks to my parents, Michelle and I got a date night on our vacation. We wanted a place with a great view and food to match. Enter the Vault Uptown. It's got a sleek, cool vibes atmosphere that felt elevated yet approachable. It serves chef-driven American fare along with innovative cocktails, like our literally smoking gunslinger drink. And that patio view is nothing short of mesmerizing.
I feel like I need to do stretches first.
Those mouth stretches were a good idea, because this was a big, juicy Wagyu burger that left Michelle speechless. And though my choice of the tangy barbecue baby back ribs was probably not the best date night selection, I have no regrets. This was a perfect dining experience. We are incapable of visiting any new place without finding the best local donuts. And if you're in Sedona, then that means you're stopping at Sedonuts. This is widely considered to be the top donut shop in the state. And when you step in and see the fresh-made options, you'll understand why. For better or worse, we've accidentally turned our daughter into a donut snob. So she did not wait for us to get that classic donut box open shot before she grabbed her chocolate sprinkled donut. Ah well. To us, the true test of a donut shop is how good the original glazed is. No amount of topping solves for bad dough. Well, let me tell you that the Sedonuts original glaze is absolute perfection. Fluffy, airy dough that is just the right amount of glaze. They also have some creative options, like this vibrant old-fashioned pistachio that blew us away. This place is so good that we ended up going again the next morning. North of Sedona lies the picturesque Oak Creek Canyon, but beneath these stunning views sits Indian Gardens Cafe and Market. This historic site is considered to be the oldest operating general store in the Sedona area, and it's recently been relaunched as a homey food stop serving sandwiches, salads, pastries, and craft coffee. It's got a great locals vibe, and the staff were so friendly. We went on a rainy day, so we were not able to properly enjoy the patio, but wow, it was still stunning and clearly a fun place to hang. We need to talk about these sandwiches. We got a freshly prepared Reuben and a chicken salad sandwich, both of which were made on the fluffiest bread we've ever had. This is the kind of sandwich that makes you close your eyes when you take a bite. We were really excited about the Mexican food scene in Sedona, and the city has lots of options to choose from. A local recommended we try Fiesta Mexicana, a family-owned restaurant chain specializing in classic Jalisco cooking. The margaritas were strong, and the entire menu is scratch-made traditional Mexican cooking originating from homemade recipes. This was such a fun, flavorful family meal for us. We're at Oak Creek Brewing Company, which is kind of on a side road, but right in the middle of Uptown Sedona.
It's like right behind an auto, looks like an auto junkyard. So you pull up and you're like, where's the brewery? Here it is.
The view is excellent. It's got a backdoor patio. It's a microbrewery, but a couple great IPAs, great view, live music. This is what we live for.
Yeah, and like, just turn that camera around.
Cheers.
Incredible. Cheers.
Founded in 1995, Oak Creek Brewing is Sedona's oldest microbrewery. They were brewing craft beer before it was even cool. This is a fantastic low-key option for beer lovers, and the beer was so good that it made us all dance. This is the best thing to do when you get to a new place, is just find a locals brewery. They're always tiny, the little microbrews, but man, that's how you get to know a city. It's trying their local beers and meeting some cool people, so cheers to that. Though we'd had a prickly pear margarita, we needed to try the famous prickly pear ice cream. Luckily for us, Uptown Sedona has the family-owned Black Cow Cafe ready to make our ice cream dreams come true. This place is very popular, but oh, is it worth the line. We got the prickly pear ice cream sundae and couldn't even make it out of the shop before trying. Prickly pear has a sweet, juicy flavor that kind of tastes like a combo of watermelon and bubblegum. Add this over a bed of vanilla ice cream, and well, it's just heaven.
Oh my goodness. We knew Sedona had good food. They blew us away with how great their food was. Why are we walking now, Caleb?
Well, we ate everything we could in Sedona. We wore our stretchy blue jeans to make sure we could fit every bit of food and drink we could. We're very impressed, and now we're very chubby.
Yep.
Trip chubby.
Yay.
So we'll hike it off. But we hope you've enjoyed it. This is such a cool city. So many good places to eat and drink. We can't wait to come back.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more Micaleb Goes West, eating all the food out in the West.
Adventures.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.